Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a product variant in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login, fill in your email address and password. Now go to the products page, click on the product or enter the product page of the product you want to add the variant for, and scroll down to the variants section and click on add options like size or color. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Here, fill in your first variant name. For example, let's say, my variant name will be color and the option value will be black, and I will add another variant which is white, and I hit enter. Now that I've created my variant name and my variant options, here you will see a new table with your two new variants. In my case, it's black and white. Now let's give a specific photo for each variant. Click on this photo icon. This new window pops up. If your image is already uploaded to your Shopify store, you will find it here, or you can upload this from your computer. I already have my variants photos uploaded, so I will select it and hit done. As you can see, the black variant is. Now let's select the white variant photo. And also you can edit the price and the available stock for each variant. And if you click on one of these variants, a new window pops up with more details, like for example, if you want to give Shopify your costs per item, and it automatically gives you the profit and also the margin automatically based on your price. You can also edit the SKU or the barcode for this exact product variant, and so on. Let's click on yes. Let's close this window. Let's say, other than the color variant, you want to add another variant. Let's, for example, size. I will go with small, medium, and big. Click on done. Here I thought it was based on the hierarchy, but it is here from the group by. You can group your variants based on the first variant. In my case, it's the color. As you can see here, I see black and white, and inside each of these variants I have the size variants. And if I go the other way, now it starts with small, medium, big, and the two color variants are inside. After adding your product variants, make sure to save these changes with option will be deleted from your store. This can't be undone. Let's go with the color. Click on done. And now let's view this product live. White. As you can see, the white variant is strike through, I think because or due to the low available stock. To update your stock, just go here. Let's go with 10. As you can see, the total inventory updated automatically. Now let's hit save again, and then refresh this page. And now both variants are available, but for the black, the medium and big are still needs to be updated, just like that. And don't forget to add the photos for each variant inside this colors variant. Let's refresh this page again, and now all variants are available. And this is how to add product variants in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.